Hey everyone, welcome back to Wajid Tech Talk. Samsung's next mid-range phone, the Galaxy A37, is already making headlines. The leaks are out, and it looks like Samsung is planning some solid upgrades over the A36. In this video, let's talk about the Galaxy A37's leaked specs, display, performance, cameras, battery, price, and everything we know so far, and see if it's worth waiting for in 2025. Design and display. According to early leaks, the Galaxy A37 will continue Samsung's clean and minimal A-series design, flat edges, rounded corners, and 3 separate camera rings on the back. This time, Samsung might go for even thinner bezels and a slightly brighter Super AMOLED display. The screen is expected to measure around 6.7 inches with full HD+ resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. Some reports also suggest that HDR support might finally be included, giving you richer colors and deeper contrast for video streaming. Storage and software. In terms of storage, leaks mention 128 GB and 256 GB variants paired with 8 GB of RAM. However, it seems micro SD card support won't be returning this year, just like we saw with the A36. The Galaxy A37 is expected to launch with Android 15 and One UI 7.1, bringing in Samsung's latest AI features like live translation, smart text recognition, and image-based search tools. Samsung will likely continue offering 6 years of security updates and major OS upgrades, which is great for anyone planning to keep the phone long-term. Performance. Now let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A37 is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, a newer and more efficient processor than last year's Gen 3. It should deliver better multitasking, faster graphics, and improved battery optimization. While it's not a gaming powerhouse, it should easily handle daily tasks, social media, photography, and light gaming without lag. Overall, it seems like a balanced and reliable performer for its price range. Battery and charging. The A37 is said to pack a 5,000 mAh battery, which has become the standard for Samsung's A-series. The exciting part is that Samsung might upgrade charging speed this year, possibly up to 45 watts or even 50 watts fast charging. If true, that could mean around 70% charge in just half an hour, which is a big improvement from previous models. With a power-efficient chip and software optimization, you can still expect a full day of battery life on a single charge. Camera setup. Coming to the cameras, leaks suggest a familiar triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. The biggest change could be the front selfie camera, now rumored to be 16 megapixels, which should offer sharper and more detailed selfies. Samsung's improved AI image processing will likely bring more natural skin tones, better HDR performance, and enhanced night photography. Video recording is expected to support 4K at 30 FPS on both front and rear cameras, with electronic image stabilization for smoother footage. Price and launch date. As for the pricing, early leaks suggest the Galaxy A37 could launch between $399 and $499, depending on storage and market. That's roughly the same as the A36's launch price, so Samsung is keeping it consistent. The expected launch window is March or April 2025, though Samsung hasn't confirmed an official date yet. So, overall, the Samsung Galaxy A37 is shaping up to be a solid mid-range phone. You're getting a brighter display, new Snapdragon chip, faster charging, and a better selfie camera, all packed in Samsung's sleek design. The lack of expandable storage might disappoint some users, but everything else looks promising. If Samsung keeps the price reasonable, the A37 could easily become one of the best-selling mid-range phones of 2025. What do you think? Are these upgrades enough to make you switch from the A36? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more upcoming Samsung leaks and reviews. This is Wajid Tech Talk, and I'll see you in the next one.